Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. My face is done, but my eyes are not, but they are primed. And I'm not sure if I'm having difficulties with the primer or not, but I think I've been pushing it down too far. Be that as it may, it has really no bearing on the eyeshadow I'm going to use today. This is, as far as I'm concerned, an underrated palette. When it came out, didn't seem like a lot of people liked it, but I don't care because I was able to get it at a very, very discounted price. And I used it once on camera, and I'm going to use it again today. The ZENDO palette. Yeah. So the last time I used it on camera, I used these colors. But today I think I'm going to stick to these and maybe even this and this. We'll see what I do with the inner corner. Maybe. Do I ever know what I'm doing? No. Okay, the first thing I do want to do, I think, it's because I've got angelabright in my brain right now, and I've been watching some of her Instagram posts on how she puts her makeup on, but she works with a lot of neutrals. So what I think I'm going to start is with the lighter of the two greens. These are the colors I want to stick to today. Even though I'm wearing blue, and blue and green should never be seen, I really don't care at this point. It's all about the makeup. So I'm going to start, as I said, with the lighter of the two greens, which is called Breath. It happens. Miracles do happen. Let's see. Green is apparently a color that is supposed to look good on me. When I was in my early 20s, 1920, the Estee Lauder counter, which is pretty much all I knew, even though other counters were there, I don't know why they didn't exist to me. They said green and purple, and my mother used to wear green all the time when she did wear makeup, and because of that, I would, when I started wearing makeup, when I left home, I'm like, I'm not wearing green, I'm wearing purple, and that is that. Mommy issues. So I never really wore green until fairly recently. And I don't even know what the point I was trying to make is because I babble nonstop. So yeah, apparently blue, purple and green are supposed to be my colors, even though I do like the cooler tones more, as in bronze, taupe, and those colors. I love, absolutely love those colors. Like all the colors in the Glam palette and the colors that Amanda Zed showed us in the Lorac palette that I want to get, which is $57. Even though they have 6 pans that are more economical, I want the big one. $57. But it's so beautiful. Not that I need another eyeshadow palette, but I want that one. I want it. I would, if I had a choice between the Lorac palette, I can't remember the full name of it, I'll just put it down here, and the Glam palette, I would take the Lorac palette. So what I'm going to try to do is what Angelabright does. She takes a brush with this shape. This might be a bit fat, but I'll try it. This is what this channel is all about. And then she taps it in her crease. Actually, that's working better than when I use a small brush to put eyeshadow in. Thank you, Angela. Granted, I've also seen Rose do this, so I think Angela just kind of cemented it in my brain. Because look, it's even... Oh, maybe not this one as much, but it looks so much cleaner. It really does. Just a little bit to diffuse the harsh line. Even though I like it, I do really like that. I really, really do. I'm still getting my bearings with these You Can Be brushes. I'm so petrified of putting too much on in one shot and not being able to blend it, because I've done that way too much. But I keep forgetting that this is Natasha Denona and it's blendable. Okay, now I have two shimmers. I have, whoa, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna start with that one, which is, oh, and the dark green is called Mantra. Now I'm going into Equilibrium to do the outside half. And it's beautiful. Okay, now the lighter green is called Flow. As in F-L-O. Oh, it does have a W. Okay, sorry. I thought it was short for Florence, but no, it is actual Flow. Okay, now we're going to do what I don't normally like to do, and that's use my fingies. And that is because I just want it. I'm not going to use that finger because I don't want you guys to think that I am flipping you off. Chameleon. Okay. I don't use this enough, and everybody absolutely adores these. I don't use this, and I have to sharpen it. It's my Victoria Beckham eyeliner, and if you hear noises in the background, that's hubby getting himself some food, which he's allowed to do. If you hear any F-bombs, hopefully I will be able to, we've got a little bit of fallout. Hopefully I will be able to edit those out, and if I don't, I do apologize. Okay, you know what will help cover that up? Me trying to figure out how to use this thing again. I'm back, and it's been more than a week since I've opened it, and I was hoping that that would calm it down like most mascaras, but I don't know. Maybe it's because it's brown, but my Bourjois one is pretty much dead. It wasn't really adding mascara to my lashes, so that one is a finished one. I have that one open, and I have my Chantecaille open. And I think Chantecaille is going to get finished before I open Charlotte Tilbury, because there's way too much waste in my world. So today, because of this very fall look, we're going with a very fall lip gloss. And no liner. I could have gone with my Dior Rouge lipstick, but my lips have been really dry for the past couple of days. Our weather has been up and down and up and down and up and down, so it's not too cold today, but yesterday was stupid. Today we're getting snow, 15 centimeters. Okay, so I'm so pretty. I am so pretty. I still have this quadrant to do. But I get the feeling that these two, perfect alone, perfect look alone. I think I'm getting better at figuring out what looks to do. Yeah, I think I'm getting there. I think it's me. It's me. I don't have any artistic ability. I had an art teacher at school, and he hated me. Literally hated me because I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. You gotta remember back then, like, I had one teacher, was it grade 2 or grade 3? I think it was grade 3, and he would pull the girls' ponytails. Nobody did anything, you know, so it wasn't as bad as getting the stick on the butt, but that was still, talking the 70s here. Yeah, I'm old. So thank you, everybody. Go get your Zendos out. Hopefully you got them at a super discount like I did. Less than half price. Yeah. I can't wait till the Glam palette does that. Yeah, right. And the bronze. Those are the only two others. Yeah. But I can't buy anything right now. Thank you, everybody, for coming once again to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.